What's up guys, this is Aaron from Great Lakes RC and I rebuilt my Typhon. This is my truckified Typhon. I've had it in multiple forms. I wanted to do a lightweight 4S basher since I pretty much only run it on 4S anyway. The few times I've run it on 6S, I just feel like it broke a lot of parts. So I like to keep it on 4S, and I've kind of got inspired by the man Rich Duperbash. His last video he did with his Outcasts, he put on a M2C speed chassis and some carbon fiber towers. So I said, you know what, that would be perfect for this truckified Typhon. So what I did, M2C speed chassis. So this is actually lighter than stock because they mill that out. And then these are Markhor carbon fiber Typhon towers. It took a long time to get here from Australia, over 2 months here to the US. And then I kind of put a new power plant in here, a regular BLX185, and this is a old RC Gearshop 4074 2150 kV motor that I've had for a long time, and it performs really well in here. Put an 18 tooth in, and then this is a older Power HD 20 kilogram servo that I've had, and then the rest of the stuff is the same GKA servo mount and braces, and that's pretty much it. Everything else on this thing is regular Typhon, except for the hexes and axles and whatnot. Those are Creighton. That's what makes it the truckified. Oh, and I put a Creighton front bumper on here too. The last time I had it out, I had the Swampers, the 2.8 Swampers on, and that was fun. Did a lot of backflips and whatnot. I broke the wing mount, so this is a Creighton HD wing mount, so it pretty much mounts up on any of the trucks. So that's what I wanted to do. I'm very curious how this thing's going to hold up. There definitely still is a little bit of flex in it, so if you squeeze it, it kind of does flex a little bit. But being 70-75, it should be a lot stronger than a stock chassis. It's lighter. This has a little bit of memory to the 70-75, so they'll give and then they'll bounce back. It definitely feels just as light as it does stock, but you know, now I got the added security of the 70-75 chassis, and then these towers should hold up better. They shouldn't bend as easy as the stock ones, but they're also going to be lighter than a 70-75. So basically the idea is just to keep it as light as possible for 4S bashing, and just have some fun with it. So we'll take it outside, give it a little test. All right, we're outside.
Let's do a race.
Oh, well, the Typhon is Typhon's hopped up, so it's gonna win. All right, ready?
Go.
So this is the first run with the rebuilt Typhon. Not going to be too crazy because there's still tons of snow, but I was itching to get out and run it. Oh. Let's see how quick it is. Oh yeah, wow. That is quick. Woo! Whoa! Well, I did not want to get it all snow packed. And what did I do? Got it in the snow and got it snow packed. Woo! She's quick. Lightened Typhon. Whoa, you're too close to your brother, dude. All right, let's try to set up a couple ramps. Somebody wants to be on this ramp. gonna make it hard to ramp jump. There you go. Good job. Wow. What's up, bud? Good job, Robert. Here we go. Whoa! Woo! Man, this thing is quick. Love it. I like it when a new build comes together. Oh man, the tires are coming unglued. Ah, the constant battle of tires. It's definitely that front right tire. Well, I'll have to just cut this run short. The little guy wants to do this one, so maybe we'll do this one, but the Lightened Typhon seems like it performs pretty good. My tire completely came unglued, so that's why I'm going to quit. But I'm looking forward to spring and to run this thing a little bit more.